Yeah. Awu tanko jitala. Sazama ukuyithesta jitalami lento sibayizwe ukuthi banjani.
think uploading your music onto streaming platforms was this huge, complicated process. It's actually a really simple process.
DistroKid makes it easy to get your music out on Spotify.
All you gotta do is go in there, upload your.
Using your phone as a webcam on Streamlabs is very convenient, especially if there's something that you want your audience to see that is not reachable by your built-in camera. Here's how to do it. So first things first, all we have to do is go to our phone, and then from our phone we're going to be going to the website called video.ninja. Once you open video.ninja, you will be given 4 options. In our case, we're going to scroll down and click add your camera to OBS. And then from here, we're going to click video source, and then we're going to choose the camera that we have. So we have front-facing camera and back-facing camera. So I'm going to click this one, camera 2 for facing back. So I believe this is my white camera. Okay, there you go. So that is my back camera, and this is the white camera that I'm going to use. So after that one, I'm just going to click start. Alright, there you go. And you see there the link. So that is the link that we are going to be needing. So we're going to go to our Streamlabs. And then in our Streamlabs, we're going to click sources. And then from here, we're going to add a browser source. And then we're going to click add source. And we're just going to name this phone camera. So say for example like that, right? And then click add source. After that one, I'm going to be pasting the link here. So that is very important. And then I'm going to put the phone first here. Alright, there you go. So that's the link. And then I'm going to just go here and then okay, and then I had to unmute this one because I'm also using the speaker. And then yes, your voice can also be heard actually. So now that I am here, I'm going to show you what is happening. Alright, there you go. So this is the camera that we have, and we can then resize it. So say for example, I'm going to do it that way, and then I'm going to try and just show you guys that I can do this actually like this. Yes, congratulations, that is how you're going to use your phone as a camera in Streamlabs OBS. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 of this like camera. So say for example like that is my back camera, and this is the white camera that I'm going to use. So after that one, I'm just going to once you open video.ninja, you will be something that you want your audience to see that is not reachable by your built-in camera. Here's how to do it. So first things first.
Don't look at me like that.
Don't look at me like that.
Malka.
Wasemazulwini maliphathwe ngobungcwele igama lakho. 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 Imisebenzi kamdala ihlangene man, phela ngabatshela ngibangimele man, mithandazo yami ihlangene man. Wasithixo baba, zonke izinto zami mazenzeke man, mithandazo yami yifezeke man, phela ngabatshela ngibangimele man. Wasithixo baba, misebenzi yami ihlangene man, phela ngabatshela ngibangimele man, mithandazo yami ihlangene man. Ngathi Nkosi Thixo baba, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando. Ngike ngasho, ayi ngike ngasho, ngike ngasho, mina ngike ngasho, ngike ngasho, vele mina ngasho, ngike ngasho, ayi ngithi ngike ngasho. Laba ngabatshela mina, engabatshela mina, ngithi laba ngabatshela, engabatshela mina, awungithi impela ngabatshela mina, ngabatshela mina, awungithi laba ngabatshela mina, engabatshela mina, ngabatshela mina, engabatshela mina, awungithi laba ngabatshela mina, awungabatshela mina, awungithi impela ngabatshela mina, engabatshela mina, awungithi laba ngabatshela mina, awungabatshela mina, awungithi impela ngabatshela. Xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando, xwala ngami xwala ngomlando, angithi xwala ngomphando. Ngike ngasho, ayi ngike ngasho, ngike ngasho, mina ngike ngasho, ngike ngasho, vele mina ngasho, ngike ngasho, ayi ngithi ngike ngasho, ngike ngasho, ngithi ngike ngasho, ngike ngasho, ayi ngike ngasho.
Don't look at me like that. Malka.
The thing is, you want to make sure your phone is actually connected to your
Ay, nyathela mama, nyathela mama, nyathela mama, sokula nesokula, sisokula, ay
Don't look at me like that. Malka.
Usazokhula wena ngane yami usazokhula wena usazokhula wena ngane yami usazokhula wena usazokhula wena ngane yami usazokhula wena usazokhula wena ngixwalanga asikene sibone lo mhlaba asikhohle kunye komhlaba ke mina ngixwalanga asikene sibone lo mhlaba asikhohle kunye komhlaba ke izingane yami awukhulu bone lo mhlaba awushone kulo mhlaba lalela abadala kule ndlela mabekutshela zonke imfiso zakho zikumdala uyalalela noma zikushonela ngicela uzungalahli ithemba lo mhlaba unameva vele sonke sahlabeka mbona omunye umuntu masumnandi ungaboyitshela ngoba impela ijikala neduze nje ngiyakutshela noma zikushonela ngicela uzungalahli ithemba zonke imfiso zakho zikumdala uyalalela lalela abadala kule ndlela mabekutshela zonke imfiso zakho zikumdala uyalalela noma zikushonela ngicela uzungalahli ithemba lo mhlaba unameva vele sonke sohlabeka mbona omunye umuntu masumnandi ungaboyitshela ngoba impilo ijikala neduze nje ngiyakutshela noma zikushonela ngicela uzungalahli ithemba zonke imfiso zakho zikumdala uyalalela mina ngixwalanga asikene sibone lo mhlaba asikhohle kunye komhlaba mina ngixwalanga asikene sibone lo mhlaba asikhohle kunye komhlaba izingane yami awukhulu bone lo mhlaba awushone kulo mhlaba
Don't look at me like that. Malka.
Iseli izinto umulahleko kodwa inkomo imilahleko wazi yafuneka inkomo ihlanganisa umndeni ayimali ke phepha saca amagwisha sibiza abaphansi mbona ubuhle benkomo ebuhlanti inamabala isikeli ijonge phansi inkomo zabaphansi nazo ziwela ngaphesheya zinyathela lo umhlaba wesinyanya zihamba nabafana ujwamlutena waduka sihamba kule ndlela waqala imvula emnyama waduka namathambo inkomo zasekhaya umcebo wezinyanya onemanzi nezidala amanzi amnyama Nazi inkomo zabango bese 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 Ayinkomo 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 Inkomo zasekhaya Ayinkomo 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 Umcebo wezinyama Onemanzi izidala Amanzi amnyama Ayinkomo Inkomo zasekhaya Onemanzi izidala
Don't look at me like that. Malka.
Bengicabanga uzobavish mangiqeda isikole Bengicabanga after 12 kuzoba ngcono Bengithi ngizobaphatha ngikhipha umholo Awukanti impilo iqala mawuqeda isikole Bengicabanga ngizobavish mangiqeda isikole Bengithi after 12 kuzoba ngcono Bengithi ngizobaphatha ngikhipha umholo Awukanti impilo iqala mawuqeda isikole Awayengangitshelanga nina Awayengangitshelanga 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 nina Awayengangitshelanga 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 Impilo inzima sidla imali eqolo Sigibela amateksi mama sinengane emqolo Ekuhambeni kwempilo sifuna ukubona impilo engcono Behlele emthandazweni umama ingane ayiqeda isikole Sengiqedile isikolo manje sengiphile kwesona Angene kevasithi kumele nje ngikhuphule isikole Macala ungifake esipani yathi intwana ncankamo Okodwa nje kuyafana imali iqedwa yisikoloto Bengicabanga ngizobavish mangiqeda isikole Bengithi after 12 kuzoba ngcono Bengithi ngizobawuphatha ngikhipha umholo Awukanti impilo iqala mawuqeda isikole Awayengangitshelanga nina Awayengangitshelanga 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 nina Awayengangitshelanga 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 Akwenze njani ngomphando wethu Siyisizwe sinsundu wethu Asifundise nabantwana bethu Babuyise nomphando wethu Kwenze njani ngomphando wethu Siyisizwe sinsundu wethu Asifundise nabantwana bethu Babuyise nomphando wethu Bengicabanga ngizobavish mangiqeda isikole Bengicabanga after 12 kuzoba ngcono Bengithi ngizobaphatha ngikhipha umholo Awukanti impilo iqala mawuqeda isikole Bengicabanga ngizobavish mangiqeda isikole Bengithi after 12 kuzoba ngcono Bengithi ngizobaphatha ngikhipha umholo Awukanti impilo iqala mawuqeda isikole Awayengangitshelanga nina Awayengangitshelanga 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 nina Awayengangitshelanga 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 Awayengangitshelanga
Don't look at me like that. Malka. Don't look at me like that.
Don't look at me.
Malka.
Nigga, who shot me? Feel a nigga. lakithi olele chicks manje abaqola mase ngiqedile kithi hayibo bakithi ngicela ningincome cela ningithathe nisithombe 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 ningibona ningishayela ihlombe ngifike kimi ningithathe nisithombe abaningi angeke bakholwa masikujudge sishone sasola nginamaphupho ekumele ngiwabona before inyama nomhlabathi sibone nasekhaya kumele baphole phila impilo kentwana nje sigo manje sigijimisa impumele vula imbobo sibone umbonele all these lectures zingilethela isithombe ngoba impilo yona ineqheke busha ntwana uzoba yisibonele sibonele sihle kule mpimele zama ukubhesha uphakisa amende impilo inoqheke nika ushapile stizi look izoqini ngicela ningibone ngamaphupho kwakhe ehlathini ngenza imishini ngifuya amathole ngikhulisa ihlahla lakithi olele chicks manje abaqola mase ngiqedile kithi hayibo bakithi ngicela ningincome cela ningithathe nisithombe 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 vele impilo emnandi balulekile kumele siphile nami ngifuna ukuzitholela umfazi nabazali nje bakhikize jabulene ngane zami mazi ngibona nje sigijime phela sonke sifuna impilo emnandi ungeke uzusinde uhlale emkhukhwini yubula ufaka izazi ubhuti yangichaza kukhanya abantwana ngiyakubabona behlanye umuhlele ekhaya ukungena zaka kumele ugeze uyophanda ugcwala isitrata ungakhohlwa ekhaya ngoba impilo inokukulahla mawuphethe zakho ubohluze ekhaya nika ushapile stizi look izoqini ngicela ningibone ngamaphupho kwakhe ehlathini ngenza imishini ngifuya amathole ngikhulisa ihlahla lakithi olele chicks manje abaqola mase ngiqedile kithi hayibo bakithi ngicela ningincome cela ningithathe nisithombe 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 cela ningithathe nisithombe
Don't look at me like that.
Don't look at me like that.
Malka.
Wasemazulwini maliphathwe ngobungcwele igama lakho 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 wasemazulwini
Malka.
maliphathwe ngobungcwele igama lakho
Malka.
ngavele ngaxakeka ayithi ngavele ngaxakeka ayingaxakeka ngavele ngaxakeka awungithi thuna le minyaka ifulo kumnyama phezu kwesintu sami ngathi ngiyaphazama mna awungithi thuna le minyaka ifulo kumnyama phezu kwesintu sami ngathi ngiyaphazama mna awungithi thuna le minyaka ifulo kumnyama phezu kwesintu sami ngathi ngiyaphazama mna awungithi thuna le minyaka ifulo kumnyama ngathi ngiyaphazama mna ngithethalo ngaphezulu ngasekhala nomane sekhala basekhaya ngithi nabo basabe ingabe iyo lena winkululeko thini bese kade silwela sekhalo ngaphezulu mangavele ngasabe ngaqala nangu Yesu webakithi ngaxaki sesezadlulela nakuzo zona izone bese ngade ngizifela ngithi ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayingaxakeka ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayithi ngavele ngaxakeka ayingaxakeka ngavele ngaxakeka thina silala ngendalo umama impilo kuyamshaya ubhuti yena usayophala ubhema idakamizwa kasabuyi lapha ekhaya akuhlala njalo ngithandaza akodwa impilo yona yinandaba ayiphela siphila ngokwesaba siqhuma isibhamu njalo shona imihla namalanga bafundisi bamanga basithembisa impumele wakhala uholihlanhla ubedwela inkulule maphoyisa womthetho wasalandelela umthetho sibiza ngantoni lena esikebheni sempilo thina siqine ngomkhuleko nyaza amanzi anempilo nginithela ngentuthuze wabethelela uyesu ebethelela izono zethu sibiza ngantoni lena sekhala ngaphezulu ngasekhala nomane sekhala basekhaya ngithi nabo basabe ingabe iyo lena winkululeko thini bese kade silwela sekhalo ngaphezulu mangavele ngasabe ngaqala nangu Yesu webakithi ngaxaki sesezadlulela nakuzo zona izone bese ngade ngizifela ngithi ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayingaxakeka ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka ayithi ngavele ngaxakeka ayingaxakeka ngavele ngaxakeka ayibo ngavele ngaxakeka inkani vele khula vela kujuka kushunga uthula amakhendla sekimpubu moyo mubi kuze kuze indlavini ngasisuthe nasemina vela kuhle ngithayina kusona ingene imosha labelungu ingene imosha lebusuku ingene imosha ithola induku ingene idala isivunguvungu ingene ingozi igqola ukhuku ingene ibhaza kunuke phu ingene ingozi kuduma izulu yebusuku uphuma isidumbu Makhendlas ukhendla busuku Gama lakho uMakhendlas Kasilonke selamjwaye Yasibini uMakhendlas Wakacucisa ufaka intraye Wahlangana nesinja sasesumkhothisa ushuke Amanje akekho mnandi ugcwele indawo mfethu uyayintringe Gama lakho uMakhendlas Kasilonke selamjwaye Yasibini uMakhendlas Wakacucisa ufaka intraye Wahlangana nesinja sasesumkhothisa ushuke Amanje akekho mnandi ugcwele indawo mfethu uyayintringe Ipose pose posa Ipofe lumekhotha Oshosha basokola Ngidose hlokolosa Inqeba lele liphuma Ubhako sogcwalufa Befika nje uphula umnyaka Iposi intwana ejutha Iposi idala ibukwa Iposi khendla ikhendla Mayifika insimbi eqhuma Ukhwasha kekho phuma Zingadla kahle sokudalela ebukwa Igandaganda phuma udaki Isusa into esikasusa Ubona kahle kushona ilanga imhlophe netayikhotha Blind uzokudalela ibukwa Sho uzokudalela ibukwa Akhendlas umfana kagogo lo indlela nesitulo zithihlala phansi ugogo wendula namanzi mfutha ngiyaqhuma ngibiza abaphansi biza isituko ndibiza abaphansi ngabe inhlonipheko yike niphuma biza ugogo wami ngikhulise kamnandi ihlozi lenkani ishaya ikataka intwana ikhula inombono intwana kagogo ishaya inombolo ngithatha hit ivuthi idombolo faka isipikile-ke noma ukhonkolo khonkothi izintsha zingeke izolo nayo imihlolo ngibaphula iqolo sikhule sibaningi sikonje ufihla ipohlo masifike ekuseni basiblesa ngomdoko mayigcine ngize ngiphumelele ngicela umculo wami uzungenelele phela usikhulise ngokwanela zami uzuchuza zami uzikhetha bonga wena ngothando luphelele uma uzophelele impilo ephelele fundiso zakho zingenelele ngibonga kakhulu gogo phakela umfana kagogo lo umfana kagogo umfana kababa umfana kagogo lo umfana kagogo lo umfana kagogo lo umfana kagogo lo makude vele kushubeke phela lento iphuma kude kusondeza eduze vele njujule gogo wami uzungathuki kumele ngikhule vele ngiphushe hlela zami izubathuse khona amaduza ngeke uzuhlupheke uyongenza nginqume ngenza makude vele kushubeke phela lento iphuma kude kusondeza eduze vele njujule gogo wami uzungathuki kumele ngikhule vele ngiphushe hlela zami izubathuse khona amaduza ngeke uzuhlupheke Captain, I never kept me, kept recalling. Boy, that's the full time in lane, like yes, and I'm in call. Sanda said, look what's in your masambas, not so short. Sanda said, look what's speaking, la poshona call. Ikamu captain, I never kept me, kept recalling. Boy, that's the full time in lane, like yes, and I'm in call. Sanda said, look what's in your masambas, not so short. Sanda said, look what's speaking, la poshona call. Yona ngumthanda zogalova. Yona ngumthanda zogalova. Yona ngumthanda zogalova. put my thoughts inside this cup of music. Rap is so amusing, we lyrical, we groovy. Esiphongweni kwenza umsebenzi wembuzi bakwatile abangabuzi konakele usungakhuzi aningixolele khona ungekhokheki khona solimane kuyasenzakalela ngisenzi khona obhekane nenkinga kusevuka ekuseni so we pray for better days inkulubi iphume edakeni uhambo lude weba kwethu kumele kulunge indlela sethu ikusasa liphezu kwempilo yethu angeke aphela amandla wethu umbono wethu sengisho impilo yethu igama ukapteni I never kept me Capricorn greatest of all time ilenkanyezi nami ngikhona sithandazela ukuthi inyama sihamba singazushona sithandazela ukuthi sifike lapho shona khona igama ukapteni I never kept me Capricorn greatest of all time ilenkanyezi nami ngikhona sithandazela ukuthi inyama sihamba singazushona sithandazela ukuthi sifike lapho shona khona wena ngumthandazo welova 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 magameni amathathu nankunyana uyabulisa ingabe uba unjani phezulu ensambo uyaphila kulelo bukhula bebhithuni uyanjongisa yibo ngikubethela isandla mani undibulisele kupita amrile gobe ngihaxa ngene vesi iyabusisa bathi ndenza into khona kuthi vuxa ngibavuthisa my music never judge kodwa uyabacebisa sokwenza imillionaire xa ungaphuma uye kucinga wena ngumthandazo welova 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 wena ngumthandazo welova
Yo, mthandazo kabani? Mthandazo kabani? Mthandazo kabani?
Uscafela mali Hold on Ritore gitar Uscafela mali Hold on Ritore gitar One time, two times I know my niggas be shy Too fly, too high Now they get shit on my mind Relax, no stress I hit a lit and I blaze Now they this shit they gon' place I hit a lit and I blaze
umkhuleko wami uzongikhusela kuzo zonke inkinga zomhlaba maflow maningi akunajojo ngakithile njani sisaplay umhlaba nyabamangasa baqala usakaza nginendondo ngizibambe ngesandla khonto wahlaba bafana bafuna ukungishintsha negama bathanda manga phezulu amfethu ngiyashisa ngiyashaya ngiyadlula ngoba ngifundile lempilo ekolula mathamba mhlophe kuyakhanya ngiyaphula ngiyabagubula baphuma izinto wakholwa mabuda le moya emibi nozama ungisejusa ngoba iyabona inhlupheko iyaphuma
one time, two times, I know my niggas be shy Too fly, too high, now they this shit on my mind Relax, no stress, I hit a lit and I blaze Now they this shit they gon' place, I hit a lit and I blaze,
Fight every day, fighting my struggles, I'm finding my way No time to play, one of the race Niggas ain't here cause I'm up on their face Who said it's a race, I'm keeping my pace I got my goons anyway, surrender we never retreat I made a beat like a beast, they suffer defeat I came with a heat, king of the streets I'm raising this out with my G's, watch what you say But watch your mouth, we pull up and spray No time to play, all of my goonies they slay We making it rain, nigga no time to play We pull up, we make it rain Nigga don't play, nigga we run the game We pull up and then we slay like
one time, two times, I know my niggas be shy Too fly, too high, now they this shit on my mind Relax, no stress, I hit a lit and I blaze Now they this shit they gon' place I hit a lit and I blaze Uscafela mali
So if the setup works, everything works.
Ritore gitar Uscafela mali Hold on Ritore gitar Hold on
Athi sanibona Dumelang. Aku captivity Milano intwana yase Milano intwana yase Kasi. What is Mihla namazolo angathi sayibamba chita la Mihla namazolo
Mthandazo wemihla ubhala incwadi uyaprofitha ubisi gama lokugcina masuphelela amaqhinga fanekisa uyangibonisa uhlaba idolo ukuthi iqine inkosi ikhona iyangiphilisa ngiletha indlebe iyangiringisa usungakhali mntasekhaya umdala ikhona futhi kushiwo ubangubawa bendodana bengumoya indlela zakhe eziningi ezinye nje soze sasiqonda kodwa njalo manyiringa ngiyazi ukuthi uyangiza mihla namasolo mihla namasolo mihla namasolo namasolo mihla namasolo mihla namasolo mihla namasolo mihla namasolo wakhala umama kanomthandazo ehlele kamereni induka impilo yakhe yonke ndlebe uyasibusa wenzeni thixobawo thethelela zonke izono zomhedemi ngoba inhlungu ziphenduka nathi ngathi zilele empedeni kulandela indlela yenkonzo umculo wami awushisa izono nkosi sonke sinesono nalaba abahamba isono ngibiza wena kule nkonzo wena okhuluma uvala umlomo okhuluma ubeka ingxoxo conversation with the Lord conversating no God coming with a greater force inkosi yaphila futhi ikhona iyaxolela nomusona give yourself kupha God lona ushintsha usazolibona give yourself ngoba moya ngoba inyama isazolibona mihla namasolo mihla namasolo mihla namasolo namasolo mihla 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 namasolo
vele kwacima ke manje athi ngibheke ke ile ngoma yethu ithatha isikhathi
Shayina bakuloko ngena zathu lelivikele sithathu ngikhuphela izinja kungena babakho shikisha kuphuma iphathu khipha amapizza sisule ngempatu leli hithi lasekasi kushayela inambe ehlanyisa botshako lenihlanyisa 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 botshako bathi ngishaya ngendaba ehambayo Mr. Chef njalo mina ophakayo ingane zangithandile moya oblowayo ngidlala ngeflow bese kugwemisa insango piki manje akekho odobhayo ngidlala ngeflow manje mina odobayo ngingaziningi ziphuma ngomnyango isidadla umakhada sigcwalisa indawo abaningi manje sezavuma ngingumoya usuyazulazula funa ubalabala lamasuka uloliwe usuyabadudula bona zami sezabaketula kumitsango from Durban to Jula funa umbona ngamabhanekyula inkinga isekasi ubona zokuza shaya inamba kuloko ngena zathu lelivikele sithathu ngikhuphela izinja kungena babakho shikisha kuphuma iphathu khipha amapizza sisule ngempatu leli hithi lasekasi kushayela inamba ehlanyisa botshako lenihlanyisa botshako lenihlanyisa botshako lenihlanyisa botshako lenihlanyisa Lenisa bocha, lenisa bochago, lenisa bocha, lenisa bochago, lenisa bocha. Belenkile kungena sizathu, efupapa sifaka iphathu, belisuke kasam nabokashu, toko please ngehlisa amaphaphu. I'm from the south, I use all the south. Told you straight I'm not a regular guy, that's why the turtle keep coming around. Oh my god, in Chaka, Jago ubatla kibana, kafoka jumper, angihlali ma-5 nahlanya, mwana olixhosa kaja, thana kapapa liraja, feke dlalela mawaza, shapa kaviva la rasa, shaya inamba kuloko ngena zathu, leli viki lesithathu, ngikhuphela izinja kungena kabathu, shikisha kuphuma iphathu, khipha amapizza sisule ngempathu, leli hithi lasekasi, shayela inamba ehlanyisa bojago, lenihlanyisa 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 bojago.
Dumelang sanibonani, that was Amakhosi by Captivity Milano, Mr. Creativity himself. Ibhithi lapha lenziwe u Thompson ke bafethu. Niyazi sihlezi sisebenza no Thompson ke. uThompson uyena nje losenzela ama beats ku South Ever. If you know you know, if you don't know you don't know, and now you know. Uyacava nje. Ujita lami uthe nje manje ngikhulume kancane sike sibone thini lento lezosebenza bafethu yabo. So by the way, my name is Captivity Milano, intwana yaseLens, intwana yaseSlenga 1827 bafethu. So yeah, this is how we do it. So we are going to be having ama-shows, kuzoba nama-slot and everything yabo. So namhlanje nje bengichecka i-live ukuthi ispana kanjani manje ispana nge-mic, and then sazongena kahle kuyi-software radio. So yeah, yes guys, everything is gonna be professional, yonke into sobe siyenza professionally. So we're gonna be having music umpaya. Ngicela ningasabi bafethu ukusenda umusic wenu yabo. Yeah, sendani umusic awugcwaleni bafethu, sizodlala umusic sonke sibe ne platform yabo. Just make sure nje ukuthi yonke into original, ukuthi ama-beats original, ningazeli nama-downloaded beats manje sesiba ney'nkinga ngaphambili yabo. So yeah bafethu, let's continue with the playlist. You see, manje ngizofaka Imani Who, that's me and Real Mad yabo, but I don't have the full vision la ku-Neves la ka-Real Mad khona, so nizongixolela bafethu on that one. So lele nginalo is the first one yabo, lele ngalishaya bese ngamsendela ukuze afake iverse, ile nginalo. Lele linye ileli bese silikhiphile yabo. So yes guys, let me play Imani Who featuring the Real Mad, Captivity Milano, Dankolo.
Shoka khona tubule ndodana ngekangala sifika umoya, tubule zontaba sibamsa Zulu shona khona, takulu nobhala nansi inkondlo isingikhomba, mthathile wazanye umzansi intaba usungayixoxa, umhlabile lo mhlaba inhliziyo isufunda ukuphola, phoza clever phoza, era fidi phoza, izinja zokusosa, fika shisi khotha, crazy la pikosa, shito la satosa, ain't nobody's bossa, thoda shokolosa uchoma, bele uthanda khona, izinto zakhona, senza sona, bantwana bekosha, thanda ukuhlokolosa, thanda into zakhona, usikilite sefubeni siyabakhosta, but then I give you mine, I give you thoughts, shake kosha, shija makhala use bathi siyabakopa, mahlela ngamagama nomaqala banengoma, Imani Who, Imani Who, Imani Who, Imani Who, usikilite sefubeni siyabakhosta, but then I give you mine, I give you thoughts, shake kosha, shija makhala use bathi siyabakopa, mahlela ngamagama nomaqala banengoma, Imani Who, Imani Who, Imani Who, yeah, Imani Who. Siyababulala sebahamba kancane, uyababona sebaploma nabo mamncane, enhlekile abanye ababona nje abomancane, izinto zami nezakho angeke zifane, angithola wena sane enhleki mina ngiphefethe, enhleki wena lento ufuna kuyiphefetha, ngibashaya perfume bese ngifaka umetshise, yabona iduma nje sengibathuma njani, sengivela kude enhleki wena enhleki uduma va, izinto zami bezivela zithi dumelani, abanye mabavele bathi ngani uduma ngani. Shija makhala use bathi siyabakopa, mahlela ngamagama nomaqala banengoma. money ho. Yeah, your money ho.
Bathi Captivity Creativity Mr Creativity intwana yaseMilano bafethu. The next one intro. Angazwa ngicina ngeintro because bekumele ngiqale ngayo yabo. But ithi ngishayeleni yona. Sure.
This is introduction. Kasi multiverse with the dust we never rusting. Masiphefumula kubanempilo wena kasi. Cause like ilizwi ngiliqala phansi. Shoo. Hey, ngicela ungangiphikise yo basbow with this knowledge before. But I'm a BTL already understood. Life is something to achieve. Okay, it's not about me. Okay, let me tell you about me. Yeah, let me tell you about me. Come on, Captivity. Kule spateli viti as a kid. Engazi ukuthi mangikhula ngizobayini. Kule kaseli busy. If yasazi isiphithiphithi from the dust is what I came. Sekeke mpele bakafi. Yabe ngintwana ekhulile. Mqondo amujulile. Ebusuku nginamaphupha amabi ngifukile ngithukile creative. Umculo yabe ngihlezi ngukhonzile ngihlanyisa abaprofesa bokhakethe into engazwile. Mangibhala incwadi yothando ngibona intombi zingiqomile ngoba umlilo webeatness ubona ikhotha wushisile. Ngeke ngikhohlwe imiyalo wabadala bangithumile ngizobamba isandla sazolo mase izinto zishubile. Ngikhuliswe ikasi, culture yasekasi, yonke into nje ikasi, uzwa neringasi. Hey, this is music evolution. Before Kumba Fire, izoba ikhwitsho for the new kids. This is introduction. Kasi multiverse with the dust we never rusting. Masiphefumula kubanempilo wena kasi. Cause like ilizwi ngiliqala phansi.
So you thought you the only one? How do you claim me to shoot with a water gun? Back in the game, I ain't ready to come. Look how I move my two, my goose. No full of rules, I flow by boo. Talking about blood, ain't got no truth. Probably these niggas know about Subu. Oh my god, too much drip on me, too much sauce on me. Full like loco. Sami mazingena zithi, oh go. Sami mazingena zithi, oh go.
Sami sagogo. Sami sagogo. Sami sagogo. Sami sagogo. Okay, zip like I'm abroad. Just like dog. Call your horn. Too much sauce. Stop like sauce. Too much zero. Zip like fight. 5 buns. Take on. My bun, I go. 7 Just say that dog. My leg like dog. Hey, my social Machelebo que we all. Migiliko sigotela madoda wathole maphuri ngemona. King Kong. 70 shy my joint. High right don't spot. Next down one dog.
Sami mazingena zithi, oh go. Sami mazingena zithi, oh go.
Sami sagogo. Sami sagogo.
Esami siyakokota. Esami siyakokota. Esami siyakokota. Esami siyakokota. Ay, esami siyakokota.
Every now and then nikifika bofo endaba buzi we know sick dilika mabonda 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 sick dilika mabonda and they should take you to the moon in your birthday suit. Lesses are my coos, or unless I say don't shoot. Visible my pools, when maybe banga coos, but they never lose. You just a karyaba tunes, kill and I'm a tuna. When they daylight move, my total is tunes. They never deny a tool. I figure you show me more if it don't run. Move, I'm feeling as a move. I think nigga my pool. Statistics with some is like in Klaba Wabo Babum cool. Fell I'm in mind, you fell to booty. I'm telling the truth, but see they so scary movie can do Scooby-Doo. Kadang bajelu kuteka sisi waso Figa my crew, ritunya mabot. Every now and then, figa bofo Enda babuzi, we know sick Dilika mabot, dilika mabot Dilika mabot, dilika mabot Dilika mabot, dilika mabot Dilika mabot, dilika mabot Sick, dilika mabot. All I do is smoke. Trapped in the dark, dog, I'm barely woke. Kondo hamba fast, nobody ghost. Ngafa, sinda umthwalo for being a ghost. Man, I do it easy, I'm fucking manda kuyo. Standing my ground, ivale imlenze njenge kangaroo. Wala mahlathi, you could swear they one of the baboons. But isukuma ushaya isifuba, wathinte umeduli. Hanemsize nange seyikubhela ithuni. Angithi unekana kayazi inkamba beyibusa. Ngapha amabhada lele kuya lokhu ayaguquka. Elinye sekungathi liyaphupha elinye lifele kuyo. Kade ngibatshela ukuthi ekasiziwa so fika my crew rithunya amabota. Every now and then fika bofo endaba buzi we know sick dilika mabota dilika mabota dilika mabota dilika mabota.
No, bafethu, no. Uyayizwa mara lento. Yo. Bathi Siza Thompson bafethu, Siza Thompson. Ya uNkulunkulu makakuphila ukuphile bafethu yabo. uNkulunkulu yakubless athi bamba naye. Yeah. That was Siza Thompson. One of his Sautera. Yeah, he's one of our guys with Sautera bafethu. He's actually the guy who came with the way the Sautera. He's also a producer. I also do production, mixing and mastering, but mostly like Guma beat, he's dope. Yes, this is him again.
What's mine I shoot, show me the money, see my move.
Yeah, bafethu sinshanga I'm exclusive.
Game time ain't gonna lose if you can't go back on my cruise. They slide up.
But uphethu wenmili yamazma uphetha ama triplets.
On the grind for better, spending no.
Ingoma esingazi ukuthi sizophuma kwenzakalani.
Ngihlangana ikhanda, be all in for the crowd. So when you owe me, you better pay up. You better pay me when I come for my penny. Peso kulu fakhwaile awala lele. You better pay me when I come for my penny. Peso kulu fakhwaile forever ready. Game time, we getting daylight. We get in your city, we kicking shit, you never gonna say something.
Shout out to all the hustlers out there, bafethu wonke umuntu
In
ohustler.
the city we kicking shit, you never gon' say
I
something.
tell the Savvy I'm taking him up and hoping nobody is pulling me down. Game time if you playing with us, same time it's the choice of your life. I make the studio, we're making a lot and hoping that people are loving the sound. Hey 9 if you run, I'm a bite. Game time, mina ngidla ngebite. Eating izinja wathole about it. Yothi ngiyadlala besibhekela phansi. Check now, sebahambela phansi. Game time, ungarolla my dice. I make the studio, wangiphumela iphandle. You playing your ludo, you wasting your time. Game time, ungathatha my chance. Same time, you can check on my squad.
You better pay me when I come for my penny. Penzo kuluva khwaile awala lili. You better pay me when I come for my penny. Penzo kuluva khwaile forever ready. Game time, we getting daylight. We getting no city, we kicking shit. You never gon' say something. Game time, we getting daylight. Getting no city, we kicking shit. You never gon' say something.
Too much talent, guys. There's too much. Kune talent eliningi lapha ngaphandle bafethu. But see, this is Captivity Mcreativity, Mr. Creativity bafethu. Intwana yase Milano, intwana yase Slenga Chillis Town. Ngiyacava mosila sikhulele khona.
It's top gang thing, always might. Are you thinking how we can banging for? Are you thinking how we can banging for, mate? Oh no.
One thing I want everybody to know is that zonke ingoma ezidlala la it's Southera, guys. Southera. The reason why we always say Southera. Into vele besihlanganisile yabo. So we want everybody to submit our tracks on ezasesijiteni radio so that we can play them on a broadcast live go radio bafethu. So this is just a live for me. Good idea. We are just testing a system yami. Good idea yami ukuthi sipana karen and then nekusasa songena straight go broadcasting yangithola. Then siyitesta khona yisenze into zakhona sibamnandi ngithola. Yeah, we're learning step by step every day. Yeah. This is sound by Southera and shout out to Caesar Thompson. Thompson is very dope. Lana siphethe King Flow, one of us again. King Flow is very dope, very energetic, like ushaya energy ehlanyayo King Flow. Ama track bafethu asazophuma kusamele swapolishe kahle yabo because ama track beswenza last year like yabo besahlangane yonke lento lebesase like khanda besase rough, you see. So isikhathi sesivayile no izinto ezibhasi ezenzekile sesifundile, but yeah, the name is still there. We still pushing bafethu, like akupheli imali. So sifuna ama-artist nawazi asijoyine kule movement yabo singeneni. Sibongene ezasesijiteni radio for ukusivumela ukuthi singeneni yabo, siyenzeni lento asingasabi bafethu. Danko-ke. Siliqalele phansi.
It's top gang till always might. Are you thinking how we can banging for? Are you thinking how we can banging for, mate? On the real thing, mate. Who they so real, I've gone, mate. On a sad some mates. Outside of a tragedy. You me too callous. Check them, I'm then dangerous. It's that shit because it's scandalous. I think you vibe with this. Think you just talk with this. Play with this. Killing this shit like we murderers. Keeping it come, we ready to shoot. Enemy troops, I'm ready to shoot. Chipping the plug, I'm suing the root. That nigga chipping it, thinking it root. Kicking it up like right you. Yeah, that pussy nigga sloppy, too sloppy. Yeah, hit him up at this dog.
Rolling me like Shaga no Zulu. Give me some shabba Zulu. Way to the top, mpege Zulu. Avulekile amasulu. Ngeke balunge bathola amagugu. Libele ngivulele induku. Thompson ubaqulela igugu. Back in the days was one of the cool dudes. Manje uphendula isiduku. Yi-era yi-South, nigga should know what I'm talking about. Ngikhuza iflow ehamba nabaphansi. Ningizimu yonke ngaphotha amamanje. Mhlaba kabanje. Shuthi labantu ababani. Mhlaba kaThomo manje niqabanelana. Abantu babulawelana.
Hold on, part of the reason why we monkeys hunting every season. That's the reason why
squad, sebankhiphela magadi. Push you to the side if you thinking that you tough. I'm a nigga from the south, so twali song atwali. I used to flow so much, I made a shot to swim with us. You can check on us, it's a circus, you'll never ride. Kate Nicholas and Shaye High Stera Swagat. When I fly with propellers, I get so high up in the sky. Check. Hey, I was walking away, hey, on my pace. Zonke ingale, it wasn't great. It's the life of our days, hey, so insane. Hey, I'm on my way, so hambelale, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha. Money always talks, bullshit always walks. This is not my fault, cause I always show them wrong. They never pray to God, all my niggas can divorce. Let your thing talk, why you shaking like you shocked? Oh my God, no, this is not my fault. He is not a Capricorn, he a cat, he never stops. Like a silicone, plus the plug is silicone. I've been talking to my God, I was walking away, on my pace. Zonke ingale, it wasn't great. It's the life of our days, so insane. I'm on my way, so hambelale, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey. Hey, kumbula kade ngifisa ukuthola mamitha. I knew I saw it in my dreams, nobody saw how it is that every time you have a picture in a wild shy spinza. Touchdown baba pizza, touchdown baba pizza. I told you ezami angeke basimele ngamane bavele bephelele. Kumbula kudala ngey'nsuku zomkhelele ngiyangethambula tekele. Veleke gijima nabo mgijimi bakuvulela isekele. Veleke khuluma nabo ungasheshi kumele bahele. I was walking away, on my pace. Zonke ingale, it wasn't great. It's the life of our days, so insane. I'm on my way, so hambelale, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba ha, hamba hey, hamba hey. Ngihamba noThixo ngihamba nabaphansi ningi lomculo lisibekela phansi. When I make the studio angithatha ama-chance. Taking your time awukhulume tracks. Isikhathi masamba your niggas will rust. Sifikile izinja imidlwane will run. You want your features ophaka amaphansi. And now it's my time angichelele phansi. Wahamba nogogo ngaphenduka isoni. Ngaphakisha imithwalo ngabuyela eGoli. Eqinisweni ngaloka ngiyisoli. Sekwazi ukubamba ilanga lingashoni. Yimini ghost nangu usathane eJordan engelosi. Honestly mina ngenza ngamabomu. Awunamahloni kusuka imigosi. This is how it goes. I'm on the road on my own. Since I've been chasing the drone, I make him swallow my flow. He goes the pet on my coast. eqinisweni bengithi abamhoyi. Taking my time to compose with my voice. Baba sizani sekufika amaphoyisa. I'm in the zone. Ngihamba noThixo ngihamba nabaphansi. Iningi lomculo lisibekela phansi. When I'm at the studio angithatha ama-chance. You taking your time awukhulume tracks. Isikhathi masamba you niggas will rust. Speaking izinto imidlwane will run. You want your features ophaka amaphansi. And now it's my time angicaleli phansi. Asoluma mami right now it's my time. Ngapakisha imthwalo ngabhunguka ekhaya. Funa ukuyospana when create a life. And ngaleso sikhathi yamethu macala. Kuko konke wakuna mathatha makusuka ama-fight ungezima wani. I got a shot I'm aiming to the sky. Akuna ma-flop mangabuya zami. I hear the dream and it's coming alright. I've been wasting my time as it does the snacks. Lapha bezitha I'm the best in my prime. They pilot on my squad as I'm taking them high. Mina lezitha ngiyiboni ngenkani. Eqinisweni ngibashova ngeplan. Baphuma babe high they loving the vibe. Uba know what is bathenga ngenkani. Ay. As you wake up, kube too much. We bring everything down, cause I am a Zulu man. Yiko ngiti mfuni man. Ikuluma, I'm a Zulu man. Ukuluma, as well as you wake up, kube too much. We bring everything down, cause I am a Zulu man. Yiko ngiti mfuni man. If you niggas mess with me, yes I'm in Shazzy Strategy. We even got the energy. They can never mess with me. Even if I mess with him, I got extra recipes. Your wife can never cook with